guys, welcome back to my channel. And I have realized I have gone halfway through the summer without doing a summer tutorial. How is that possible? Somehow I managed to do that. Okay, so we need to correct that. I'm going to do a beautiful fresh face. I think I want a wing liner, but to keep the rest pretty bare, summer makeup routine, something that is going to let your skin breathe in the heat but still make you feel put together and like ready for summer. So I've already primed my skin and my eyes. I used the E.L.F. Stay All Day Stay Eyeshadow Primer and the E.L.F. Hydrating Primer Serum. So I'm going to start by taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. This is a BB cream, so this is about the sheerest coverage makeup product you can get. Not this specific one, just BB cream in general. And I'm just going to take a wet sponge to apply this to my face. I don't really find it's necessary to use a brush with BB creams because they blend out super duper fast, and a sponge honestly just gets the job done really fast. And then I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. If you find you want a little more coverage in other places of your face, this is the time to build it when you go in with your concealer. So I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm using all my Ipsy stuff today. Like, this isn't even like my current Ipsy stuff. This is just Ipsy stuff that I already have. So everything's in like a tester size. I don't want my concealer to be a stark difference from the rest of my skin. I want some more coverage here and some more coverage on my cheeks. Just go ahead and blend that out using the same sponge. This is a very dewy concealer, and I think it looks really nice for like a summer look, just being very glowy and dewy. Whatever products left over on my sponge, I'll just go over my forehead and down the bridge of my nose a little bit. I want to do less layers on my face because it's summer, you want your skin to really just breathe. So I'm actually going to skip powder today. I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette, one of my favorite summer palettes, and I'm just going to take that transition shade at the bottom. It's a nice mid-tone brown with a bit of a reddish tint, and I'm just going to take that through my crease. Whatever's left on my brush, I'll just gently put over my eye. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I want a really light feathery brow for this look, so I'm actually only gonna fill in my brow where it needs to be filled in. Okay, and now we are going to do some wing eyeliner. Wish me luck. Okay, so I think we got one eye. I'm gonna do the next eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, well, I did the best that I could. But we're gonna go and put on some mascara to hopefully cover up any little mistakes I might have. And I'm gonna be using the Essence Last Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Wow, that was a mouthful to say. This is a very volumizing mascara, which is exactly all we want. Okay, so we're just gonna finish up the face. I'm gonna take my Milani Baked Bronzer, bronze the cheekbones, the forehead, and under the jaw. I'm gonna take my E.L.F. Mineral Blush in Always Spicy. I'm gonna top it off with my E.L.F. Radiant Blush in Radiant Peach. Just gonna add a more pinky golden gleam. And then for highlight, I'm gonna take my Quo Illuminating Drops. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. And just taking my finger, I'm just gonna put it where I want it. I like to work a little faster with this product just because I wanna make sure it's nice and blendy. Oh, like I already looked glowy. But now I'm like, bam, tap whatever excess I have down my nose a bit. Just hit the chin ever so slightly. I'm gonna start with my Milani Make It Last spray. And then go with my Estate Drip Gloss, which is a very pinky, shimmery gloss. Hit that in the center, tap it out with my finger. Smells like so good, like cake. And that completes today's look. I hope you guys liked it. It's very dewy, but then the lips have like a slight pink iridescence to them, which I think really looks fun and fresh. And we look like we've been sweating, but in a good way. And honestly, if you feel like you're too shiny in any places, you can just go in with like a small tapered brush like this and a little bit of powder. And like tap wherever you feel like you're a little too oily. That was just the Maybelline Fit Me powder. But like as you see, it definitely like just toned down a little bit. So if you feel like you're a little too oily, just go ahead and do that. And yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Comment below for what you guys want to see next time. And until next time, bye!